So I also have to have this flange part. It's the mounting part for the side of the trailer, and put it on this one. As long as I get the cord on there, get that flange on for the mount. I already have this control board, and then there's 3 wires here that have to be spliced in. They were hardwired into the other unit, into the trailer, and I had to cut them. So I'll probably put plugs on those, male and female spades, so that they plug in. Be a little easier, but shouldn't be that big a deal to get all this moved over. Alright, thanks for watching. Let's see how this goes. RV hot water heater repair, or replace. No repair. I'm gonna take it completely apart and see if I can find where it was leaking. So it's pretty rusty right there. Alright, keep watching. Thanks for watching.